Alright, good morning. Oh, we're back again. Gonna do the building wash this morning. Overall, it's not in bad shape. Just a couple spots here and there. Got my hoses poled. We're filling up with water. The other building of this same paint and color cleaned up really well, so fully anticipate that this one will clean up nice as well. Pretty straightforward. It's a little chilly this morning, but overall it's a beautiful day. This is the back side. So I'll get to work. We'll see how it turns out. Alright, let's take a look at the finished result. The building all cleaned up. Everything pops out nice and bright and white. Gonna move over to one of their other buildings. However, I'm not gonna film that one. There's just a lot of customers around, and make sure that respectful of their privacy and not being on video. There's the concrete. I don't know how well you can see that. Over on this side, the sun's really starting to heat up. Got all the nooks and crannies. And then did this concrete over here as well. Those doors pop out bright white. So I'm all wrapped up, and I'll move on to the next building, and when I get a chance to do some more filming, I certainly will try to capture it.